Anorexia and the Metabolism by Zahra Al-Musawi and Nature. Today you must think very much about the look. The body size is an important part that has a huge influence on the individual, both physically and mentally. Anorexia is a very serious form of eating disorder, which is caused by several underlying self-starvation and also excessive training. These three factors are caused because the individuals see themselves as fat even when they do not. They are very afraid of gaining weight and think a lot about what they should do and eat and what they should not do and not eat. The aim of this report was to study the disease anorexia and compare three sources that describe what happens in the body of a person who has anorexia, the metabolism. The method used to compile the report was to find several sources dealing with the anorexia and the metabolism, and then choose three of the sources to compare them with each other. All the three selected sources had similar facts to represent. Source 1 mentions briefly about what is happening in the body, and there is also a small description of the metabolism. Source 1 explains and describes that an eating disorder such as anorexia is making considerable interference with the body's natural processes, and the signaling system come out of balance. Instead of listening to the body and the signals, the person sees it as an enemy that need to be overcome. Source 2 mentioned briefly about what is happening in the body with very little details, but very much and good description about what the disease anorexia is and how it can be treated. Source 3 also describes the drop in metabolism and that when you have an eating disorder, the body signal system come out of balance. But Source 3 describes some more and in detail about what's happening and also why it's happening. For example, blood pressure disease because the body tries to save energy because energy is needed for the heart to beat. Source 3 is an article published on a regular blog, and Source 1 is an article published in a Care Guides website. All the three sources are credible. First and second sources has a very big connection to research, but also provides credible answers and facts from such as doctors. Source 3 is created by two 19-year-old students who have worked with anorexia in about 1.5 years. In conclusion, although these three sources were written by different people with different thoughts and ideas, there was not much difference between the sources. All the three sources mentioned anorexia and the metabolism, but had a topic where they become absorbed most of, such as source 3, who has absorbed in the metabolism, and source 2, which delved into the illness and treatments. Thank you for watching.